Welcome to Discover with Dantech, your trusted partner and guide to navigating all things AWS. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a brand new AWS account step by step. Whether you're setting up your first project or simply exploring what Amazon Web Services has to offer, this guide is designed to make the process clear and simple. No technical background needed. We'll start by reviewing what you'll need before creating an account, then guide you through each step of the setup process. By the end, you should have your AWS account ready to use. Let's get started with the essentials you'll need to begin. First, you'll need a valid email address that hasn't been used with AWS before. This will become the main login for your new account. Along with that, you'll need to create a secure password. This will be an important part of your login credentials, so be sure that it is stored safely for continued access to your account. Next, you'll also need a credit or debit card for identity verification and billing. AWS may place a temporary authorization hold of approximately $1 or the local equivalent on the provided card for identity verification purposes. Please note that this is not an actual charge but a temporary hold that is typically removed within a few days. By default, every new AWS account is enrolled in the AWS free tier plan. This gives you access to many services at no cost for a full year, as long as your usage stays within the free tier limits. You will not be billed unless you exceed those limits or choose to use paid services or other services not covered under the free tier plan. Finally, have your phone handy. Your phone number will be needed during the setup process, as AWS will use it to send a quick text or call to confirm your identity, helping keep your account secure. Once you have everything ready, creating your AWS account is quick and easy, and you can immediately begin using AWS services within the free tier, which provides many resources at no cost. Ready to set up your account? Let's begin. Let's start by opening your web browser and going to the AWS homepage at aws.amazon.com or simply aws.com. Once the page has loaded, you should see a button at the top right corner of the page that says, Create Account. This button will take you directly to the sign-up form. From here, you'll be taken to the sign-up page, where entering a few basic details will start your account creation process. For this next step, you'll be prompted to enter your account information, including an email address and account name. Start with the root user email address. This will be the primary email linked to your AWS account and will be used as the root login. The root user is the main identity that has full access to all AWS services and settings, so it's important to choose an email you can always access securely. Next, enter an AWS account name. For individuals, this can simply be your name. For organizations, it might be the name of your company or project. This name is just a label to help you identify your account later and can be changed at any time once your account setup has been completed. Once both fields are complete, click the yellow Verify Email Address button. AWS will send a 6-digit verification code to your email to formally verify your account. Use the code from the email and either paste or type it into the verification field on the sign-up page. If the email does not arrive immediately, allow a few minutes for delivery and review your spam or junk folder in case it was redirected there. After successful verification, you'll be directed to the contact information page to continue setting up your account. With your email now verified, the next step is to provide your contact information. Begin by selecting your account type. Choose business if it is being set up on behalf of an organization, workplace or educational institution, or personal, if this account is for individual use. For this demonstration, we'll select personal. Next, enter your contact details, including your full name, phone number, country or region, and mailing address. These details are used by AWS for identity verification, billing, and important account notifications. Once all fields are completed accurately, check the box above the yellow button to acknowledge the AWS customer agreement, then click the Agree and Continue button. This will advance you to the next step, where you'll enter your billing information. In this step, you'll provide your billing information. AWS requires a valid credit or debit card to verify your identity and protect against fraudulent activity. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, along with the name and billing address associated with the card. Be sure to enter these details exactly as they appear on your bank records to prevent any verification issues. As mentioned earlier in the video, a temporary hold of $1 or the local equivalent may appear on your card to confirm its validity. This hold is typically released by your bank within a few days and is part of AWS's process to securely verify accounts worldwide. For free tier accounts, this is the only authorization you will see, and no charges will be applied unless your usage of AWS resources exceeds free tier limits or you choose to upgrade to paid services. Once your billing information is entered correctly, click the Verify and Continue button to proceed. To help secure your account, Amazon Web Services requires identity verification. In this step, you'll choose a verification method, either through text message or phone call, to receive a one-time verification code. Select the appropriate country or region code and enter your phone number in the provided field below. Once the details have been provided, click the button below for AWS to send a verification code to your phone. Upon receiving the code, enter it exactly as it is provided into the verification field on the following page. If the code isn't delivered immediately, allow a few moments and check for any filters on your phone that might block messages or calls. After entering the code successfully, AWS will confirm your identity and allow you to proceed to the next step in the account setup process. Once you've completed all the setup steps, you'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your account has been successfully created. Please note that it may take a few minutes for AWS to activate your new account, and you should receive an email once the activation is complete. From this page, click the Go to the AWS Management Console button to start exploring your AWS account and free tier services. Below that, you can optionally select your role and areas of interest to receive curated resources and recommendations better tailored to your needs. Additionally, you can choose to sign up for AWS's latest news and offers by selecting the provided checkbox. Once your account is active, you're ready to begin using AWS services and exploring the tools and resources available to you. If you're looking to go beyond the basics, Dantech's AWS practice helps organizations fully leverage AWS by applying decades of experience, best practices, and industry standards, all while tailoring solutions to fit each client's unique goals. As an Amazon Web Services partner since 2017, we at Dantech are proud to help organizations achieve their cloud transformation goals with confidence and thrive with AWS. Interested in learning more about how Dantech can help you? Visit us at dantechcorp.com/Amazon or simply scan the QR code below to get in touch with a member of our team. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.